Hey everyone, welcome to Social Meet, and I hope you're having an amazing life. Well, it's December, and I'm so excited to be showing you this video. Here are a few clips of what you will see in this video if you stay tuned till the end. And why this video should be worth your time, here are the 4 reasons. The first one is you want to be entertained, you have time with you, and you just want to enjoy a new video. Second reason could be you want to learn more about Shillong and its hidden places like the one we are going to take you today. Third reason could be you and your friends may want to take a drive, so you're going to pay attention to exactly know where this location is. And before the fourth reason, hold up. This is exactly the turn on the left when you go from Shillong to Guwahati. And the fourth reason could be because you like me and you like Social Meet, and if you're new here, a subscribe to the channel would be amazing. So as soon as you enter that turn, the road will look something like this, and I present to you the Great Wall of Garbage. If you are from Shillong, probably you would be wondering where does all your garbage goes, right? So every morning the truck that comes to your locality and collect all your trash, that they come and dump that over here. Big giant wall, yes, but believe me, this was constructed only, let's say, not even more than 5-6 years ago. And now it looks better like this, but before, because this is an old road, before there was no wall at all, and this entire stretch of land over here was filled with unattended filth. It was this trash and garbage, and it was smelling. It still smells, believe me, but somewhat it's better than those days. So this was a later initiative by the government. This place is known as Marten, and it's the dumping ground of Shillong's garbage. So it's getting smaller because every day tons and tons of garbage gets disposed over here, and it may be extended, but some construction is still happening. We don't know about that. This is Marten for you. Besides the dumping ground catastrophe, the road this side is really peaceful and quiet. You will find plenty of natural springs on the roadside where people use to wash their cars. People come here for picnics as well, especially on weekends, families, group of friends, or just practicing how to drive a car. This is a very ideal spot to learn your driving skills. And forward on our journey, who would have thought that there will be a tea estate somewhere on the banks of the Umiam Lake. So if you should know now, the left turn at the start of this video is actually the old Guwahati Shillong Road, and it was active only until 1962 or 63. And on the other side of the lake is where you have to go through the GS road. The opposite me over there, you'll find the Union Christian College campus somewhere there, and Rekinjai can also be found. Rekinjai is visible from here, but it's very tiny because it's a little far away from here. It's completely a different route altogether. But towards the other side, there is a road, and it's being constructed right now, being repaired rather. So further on our journey, we wanted to go until the end of this road, until it meets the water. Now, will I recommend you to come this side alone? The answer is no. It doesn't matter if you're a man or a woman, but this side is still very much secluded, and there are no shops at all. So if you're coming, better carry your packed lunch. Then you can come here in a group, but not alone. So here we are almost reaching the end of this road. which will lead us directly into the lake. So you can see over there, the road submerges under the water. I also have some good news for the future, because when I was going around this area, I could see some construction happening. And by the look of it, these look like future resorts or homestays. Very pretty, but not yet completed. And it will definitely be very beautiful once these are completed. Moving on towards our last spot for the evening, we are entering Maudon village territory. We were immediately greeted by these cute puppies who started playing with us. However, on a regular day, you will also find boatmen in this area who will be taking you across the lake. As beautiful as this location is right now, but it's also sad, because all around me, if you could look around on the floor, on the ground, this trash, plastic bags, water bottles, and and this is what the harm we're doing to the environment. And where is this coming from? This is coming from Shillong. This Omyam, the Omyam, river, or the Omyam Lake, for what it's known. As much as majestic as it looks, this is where it starts. It comes from that side. So the infamous Wangkra River leads to this lake over here. Of course, it has been joined by other mini lakes and springs from all over the different hills and estuaries or deltas around there. But this is where it gets accumulated, and we should think twice about throwing anything outside our dustbins. I'd rather have my trash end up in the landfill rather than in the water body, as majestic as Omyam Lake. So my dear people, we have come towards the end of this video, and I hope I have answered the mystery behind the left turn that you see all the time. You take the Guwahati-Shillong road. So this is Mankrao Kupar Kharbuli signing off from social media. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be nice. If you are new to this channel, a sub would be amazing, so that you are updated with weekly content from social media.